6 months, I have also realized that he is capable of biting people he knows and he has known right in front of me. In fact, like one bite was like 4 bites in less than 5 seconds, which actually terrified all of us because I have a small child at home and another dog. This is a torture because I can't have him staying here, I can't have him staying up there at my house.
Do you think he's best released outside the main gate?
Absolutely, he should be in the wild, not inside a complex where there are other people who do not understand anything about the dog, especially small children who are loud, who are laughing, who are frantically running around. He might just suddenly lose it and just give one nice bite in a few seconds. Things can go really. Hi, I'm Anindita. I'm a resident of Sevilla, Raheja Exotica, Mud Island, and this is about a dog that I had actually adopted about 6 months back around August. And this biting bit is making me very nervous because there are a lot of children around and sometimes he might just lose it. He's a night dog. At night he can just be the opposite of what he is right now because he has lived inside my house for 6 months and I know it so well. Someone petting him for 10 minutes or a few days is very different from having him permanently. If someone wants to adopt him, most welcome, but at your own risk. I see a lot of shows on the net and tube where people get rescued after a year. You go and see the dog and he's happily staying in a family. Not all of these stories are the way it is shown. This could be one of the